This pose is a crocheted split. You can do it up to before your knees or after your knees, just depending on how high your silk is or how low your silk is. So what you want to do is stand behind your fabric and step up into your fabric behind the plumb line. Reach your hands up as high as possible, get a good grip of your fabric. Pull up, your legs will go out and in. So this is when the fabric is below your knee. You can take your split, or you can take a bent front knee and a straight back knee. For some of you, you might want to pull up a little higher. Let that fabric slide up. If your fabric is a little bit shorter, and either take your stag or take a full split. To come out, pull up, and just step back into your fabric and unwrap your feet. Have fun.